in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Warren County in southwestern Ohio until 9:15 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 2 miles east of Lebanon, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Springboro, Waynesville, Corwin, Oregonia, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Gentown, Fort Ancient, Lytle, Pekin, and Mount Holly. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 31 and 37. Interstate 75 in Ohio near mile marker 41. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.